Hello, Gemini. Welcome to Faith Connection 777. This is going to be a general reading for you for June 29th through July 5th, 2020. We're going to pull a couple of Wisdom Chakra Oracle cards to get it started, and then I'll get into the tarot. Hope this message finds you doing well. This video. I hope this video finds you doing well. I just want to let you know that not all of the messages that come out will resonate for you, Gemini. So take what messages do resonate and leave the rest. I appreciate all of your likes, shares, and subscribes. This is a new channel for me. I've been reading for a while now, but YouTube is new for me, so all your support really means a lot. Okay, Gemini, let's see what we have for you, okay? New week, new work week ahead for you. Let's see what we got here. Guilt. Some kind of guilt is happening for you right now, Gemini. What are you feeling guilty about? Gratitude. Feeling thankful for something working out. Wisdom. Some kind of major life lesson has been learned here, Gemini. What's going on here with you? You're feeling some guilt, you have gratitude, and wisdom is being gained by whatever experience this is that you're having right now. But let's get into it with the tarot. This is the Light Seers Tarot by Chris Ann. Links to all the tarot cards and oracle decks is in the description box below. We're just going to do a recent past, a current energies, and an immediate future for you, Gemini. June 29th through July 5th, 2020. Spirits, guides, and angels. What messages do we have for our beautiful Gemini? Messages of light and love come forward for Gemini for their highest good, okay? That's what we're looking for today. Recent past for our Gemini. Let's see what we have. Excuse me, Galgie's 9 of Cups. A wish granted for you, Gemini. How amazing. All right, what else? What else, Gemini? Ace of Cups. Some kind of new opportunity or new relationship coming in for you in the recent past. What else, Gemini? I'll take both. Page of Pentacles and the Chariot. I don't typically read reversals, but I'll read reversal here. The Page of Pentacles with the Chariot in reverse. It's like something stopped moving forward, but I'll clarify. Current energies for Gemini. Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups. Recent past for Gemini, the Magician. Two of Cups. Immediate future for Gemini. King of Wands. Oh, I'm sorry, Knight of Wands. 10 of Wands. Five of Swords. Bottom of the deck, we have Two of Wands. Okay, someone here is either married or in a commitment. And it feels like there's renewed hope in your relationship. It feels like there may have been some kind of a threat of a breakup or some kind of faltering in the structure of your relationship. But it's feeling like it's something that happened that you're feeling some level of guilt about, or this could be you or the person that you're dealing with or thinking about. It's like you have gratitude that things are working out with this person. You were hoping that whatever happened between you two would not end your relationship. But it's like a brand new relationship here. In your recent past, it feels like maybe you renewed your vows with this person. It basically feels like a new cycle has come about in the recent past. In the current energy, you have the Queen of Cups with the Queen of Swords. Perhaps someone cut you off in the recent past. Or someone took a time out. And then you have the Magician and the Two of Cups. This is just telling me, well, let me clarify. Let's clarify the Magician, Spirit. Feels like either, okay, so it feels like you have, feels like this is, you may have had trouble in this higher level commitment, whether this is your marriage or somebody that you're very serious with, but it feels like something went on that's undercover, or some kind of plans are underway right now with you and your person. You have a very lighthearted, happy energy about you at the present moment. Possibly maybe planning like a vacation for the two of you together is what it looks like here. And you're gonna keep it as a surprise, which is very cool. That could be for a few of you. You have a new sense of respect for whoever this Queen of Cups is. This person is a beautiful person, and you're thankful that things are coming together with them. It's a wish fulfilled for you. But you have this level of guilt that maybe you did something wrong to this person behind their back. It's caused you to gain some new wisdom and insight into yourself and maybe how you've been in your relationship, and maybe this person didn't deserve how you treated them, and you feel very thankful that you can make amends and make it right, and you have been given that chance or that opportunity to do that again. But it feels like you do have a sense of wanting to look elsewhere for contentment. This person may be really good for you. They're a great match for you in terms of stability and comfort and all of the things that are really great for a stable marital relationship, or a relationship with a higher level of commitment. Possibly you have children with this person, but at the same time, you're feeling this sense that there's something more out there. And perhaps that's what happened in your recent past. You may have been wandering elsewhere to find some kind of contentment, whether that was in a third party or spending too much time with your job, or whatever it was that caused a division between you two. It seems like there's still going to be this underlying layer of discontentment. For now, you're happy and grateful, you've gained wisdom, but it feels like this might crop up for you again, is the sense that I'm getting here. Because in your immediate future, you have the Knight of Wands, the Ten of Wands, and the Five of Swords. I feel like there might be some kind of temptation to get out there and have a good time, but you're carrying all of this responsibility in this relationship is what I'm sensing here with this Ten of Wands. It's a burden for you. Maybe it has to do with the children and all of the, adult responsibilities with bills and schedules and kids, and it becomes a lot, and you just feel like maybe there's more to this life than just what you've been doing. But yet you didn't want to lose this relationship. It's good for the kids, for all of you to be together. you know that this is a good person that you're with. You may not feel that fiery passion that you once have, because it feels like it might crop up again for you in some kind of way, where you're, with this Five of Swords, it's like you're daydreaming that you wish you could go on these adventures over here, but here's the life that you're in, where you have responsibilities, and it becomes drudgery. I get it. It's the day-to-day, every day of life. You know, perhaps, you know, this person that you are with, perhaps they are very giving, kind, but, you know, they could have moments where they're nagging and they're tired, they're dealing with kids, and they're haven't had a bite to eat, and they're grumpy, and they're nagging at you about picking up your socks off the floor, things like this, that, you know, this day-to-day stuff that to you, you know, there's something better where your energy can be spent. You know, there's a bigger picture of life out there where adventures are to be had, where you're exploring and feel like you're being a productive member of the world, the universe in general. So I'm getting a sense that you feel a little bit trapped here. But, you know, with this Page of Cups and this Magician in your current energy, you're feeling like, how can I get us away from this day-to-day in the day-to-day stuff with the kids and the drudgery of all of it, with thinking about a vacation perhaps for the two of you, where you can get away and go on some of these adventures that you're having daydreams about. You want to make this happen because you know that you guys may have used to go on these adventures together, where you once had a great time in your relationship and things were fun, and you know, you may have been younger and exploring life together, and with kids and responsibilities, this life is just boring at this point. Just be completely frank here. That's what you're feeling. You have to be honest with how you feel right now, and I feel that's what is happening. It's okay to feel that way, and you know, you may be sensing guilt for feeling this way because you did make a commitment with this person. You did commit to the family with the kids and all of this, but you just can't help to feel that pull that there's something bigger and better that you're supposed to be doing, or that, you know, you just want adventure again, is what I'm sensing here. That's really what I'm gaining out of this. Spirit, what is this Knight of Wands about? Yeah, it just feels like you want passion again. You want passion in your relationship with this person. You want passion for your life purpose. Yeah, it feels like you're spending a lot of time perhaps alone, if you can get time alone, thinking, or just, you don't even have to be alone. You're gonna have kids running around all over the place, and you're in the living room sitting there thinking, and inside your head, you know, dreaming about what else is out there for me, because I don't feel like this is it. Yes, it's important to raise kids, and you may not have kids. This could be you and just a relationship with someone. Yeah, you have an equal partnership. There's equal give and take here, but there's not the passion. It's very business-like, perhaps. There could be times that there's nagging going on, but maybe not. It's just very structured, and we're going through these motions over and over again, is what I'm sensing here. But the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Just keep thinking about those adventures, because you know what? You are right, Gemini. There is more to life than all of this day-to-day. Yes, you need to provide security and stability for your children, but, you know, incorporate everyone into the adventure here. Go, yeah. Come together. you know, 5 of Wands sometimes talks about competition, but it feels like this is a family of people coming together. There's fiery passion where you're all on an adventure together, because really that's what you're supposed to be doing. Go get out, go camping together. You know, go for a hike. It feels like get outdoors, because once you get outdoors and start grounding into nature, you know, I just keep seeing these images of the ocean and, you know, with this 5 of Swords, there's the mountains and the hiking and everything. It just feels like the call of the wild is happening here, and you really need to answer that call. And you don't have to feel guilty about wanting to have an adventurous life. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Include your family. If they don't want to be a part of the adventure, well, that's okay. They don't have to. But you invited them, right? You deserve to be out and exploring and enjoying life, because that's what life is all about. Be great to incorporate your family into that. Yeah, because ultimately you're getting to this King of Pentacles where you've spent all this time with energy toward your family and building this knowledge, and now you're an old grandpa or grandma sitting there being satisfied with the happy adventure you've just been on, and that was your entire life, thinking about the adventures you've been on in your life and not going, oh, you know, all I did was pay bills and respond to HOA problems and email my boss back all the time. Like, that feels like not life. And you're absolutely correct. That isn't life, Gemini. Okay? I'm going to end this reading with a couple of oracle messages to finalize this out. I totally feel you, Gemini. You're absolutely right. There's no need to feel guilty about that at all. Okay, let's end this reading with a couple of Moonology cards for you, Gemini. Actually, you know what? I feel called to do this Animal Spirit Oracle deck. This deck may give you inspiration as you go and explore on your new adventure. Keep with that gratitude. Be thankful for, you know, having a home and a family and money and that partnership in life, having someone who is by your side. Very important. All right, Spirit, what final messages do we have for our Gemini? Dove Spirit, be peace, okay? There's some chaos going on at home, possibly with your spouse. Just go outside and get that grounding that we talked about. That will give you a much more peaceful way to approach your conversations with your loved ones, okay? What other messages do we have for, ooh, I feel like these two go back, these two stay. Crow Spirit, co-create with Spirit, okay? Tap into your inner guidance and figure out a new path for yourself, okay? This drudgery and this boredom is not good for you, because it's not going to get any better. You're going to start getting agitated, okay? Co-create something with Spirit. Ask God and the universe, go take a walk outside. Ask God and the universe where you can get this passion back into your life, okay? Because it's there for you. You also have the Porcupine Spirit. Time for beginner mind, okay? Time to set aside this feeling of being stuck. And, you know, if you don't know what it is that you want to do, whether it is hiking, you want to hike, possibly, but you don't have the tools or the knowledge or what trails you should go on, or, you know, you don't have to start very big. Just get out there and find a trail, is really what I'm hearing Spirit say. All right, let's pull one more card for Gemini. Spirit, what message do you have for Gemini? Okay, this one here. Badger Spirit, be fearless and bold. That's a very good end message to leave you with, Gemini. Go out there on your adventure with your Badger Spirit. Okay, Gemini, if this resonated for you, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.